Happy Sunday. It is absolutely beautiful today. It's gorgeous. I live right on a golf course, so you're probably going to hear some shouting and whatnot. People just having fun and playing golf on a beautiful day. I think a big goal of mine for so long now has been content creation and being a lifestyle YouTuber. I have wanted this for so long, and I think it honestly just takes getting past the point where you feel so cringe. I think honestly that's the reality of it. Like, everybody who once started something felt cringe at some point, or they felt embarrassed, or they didn't feel good enough, or they had imposter syndrome. And we're not staying there anymore. We are not gonna live there, because realistically, I want to share my life, and I know, especially if I manifest it, that there's a beautiful community out there who wants to see my life and wants to be a part of it. And so I guess this message is just to say, whatever you've been urged to do, whatever you've been wanting to do, just do it. Doesn't matter if people think you're cringe, because when you're eventually good at it, after being cringe for a while, everyone's going to be like, wow, good for you, what an inspiration. And that's what it takes. It takes, not being absolutely trapped by being afraid of what other people think. So it's my little message for today. And I have a really chill day planned. I was just doing a little bit of reading and journaling to start the day. I am very close to my time of the month, so I'm not thinking I'll do a workout today. That's why I just put on a dress. I would normally go for a run or do some sort of workout. Since I just moved here, I don't actually have a gym yet. And I was looking around, and where I live now, they don't have gyms similar to like Planet Fitness. Like, they don't have just like your basic gym where you just go in and like guide yourself. A lot of the gyms around here are like coaching style, like CrossFit, that sort of vibe, which I've never really dove into. I do know those are more expensive. So I'm thinking about just doing, I love a good at-home workout, so I might just do that for a while. Unless I feel like I need like a real boost. But yeah, I think I'll skip the workout today. I might just do some yoga on my yoga mat and just honor myself, honor how I'm feeling, and leave behind any guilt of being super, super productive. I'm honestly just going to get ready for the week and clean up a little bit, and I am starting my first day of work tomorrow in a brand new city, so it should be lovely. I've been working in this field for 3 years, so I'm not nervous or anything like that. Of course, it's going to be all new, like a new group of kids and new coworkers and whatnot, and a new school. But I think overall, I just trust in it. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna sunbathe for the next little while, and then something should come up in my brain of what I should do next. Do we like the stress? I somewhat feel like a pioneer, or like I'm wearing a tablecloth, but I also love it in the same sense. already sweating, but I decided that I'm gonna go for a little hike. There's so many hiking spots near where I live. I'm also so confused because it said 17 today, but it literally feels like it is 30 degrees. Okay, now it's saying 23. Very hot, but very beautiful, and I am super excited. So let's go for a hike. Oh my god, you guys. This has turned into a trek and a half. Oh my god. I literally met this really cool couple and I was asking them where I would find the water. They were like, "You're in the totally wrong area of the river." And so they actually just drove in their car and I drove in mine and they showed me where to go. And guys, this part just got like very intense. So they showed me where to go, which was so lovely of them. Would not recommend following people you don't know, but the vibes were good. So literally look at my shoes, guys. Like, I have been trying to find this river for a few hours now, and I finally think I'm close, and I just like can't quit. So send me good luck. So I didn't end up vlogging the rest of my day. I really just had a shower and had some dinner, and then I've just been watching a new show. So yeah, it was a really good day overall. I also did laundry and just a few things to prep and clean up for the rest of the week. But it was a very good day. I will definitely do some more thorough research before trying to go hiking in an unknown area. So I will vlog that next time, but thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a good night.